Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to block ads and trackers on Chrome browser. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open Chrome browser, select your profile, maximize the window. Now for uh, blocking the ads, you have to follow my steps. As you can see in the right top corner here, three dots, click on here. Now move to settings. In the second last option, you can see your settings. Open it. Now move to privacy and security here, click on it. Now you can see here different type of options, so you have to move to site settings and now go to in the content menu, go to third party and you have to click on block third party cookies. You have to turn on this feature and you have to also click on do not track request with your browsing traffic. Sometimes site uses their discretion when responding to requests, so turn on this. Click on confirm. Now you can also add sites allowed to use third parties. You can also add here, but you don't have to use this feature. Now again click on this back menu. Now you have to click on this turn on feature, automatically remove permission from unused sites, as it will not allow different sites to set pop-ups or redirects to your browser. Now you can change the permissions here. You can change, as you can see, don't allow sites to use your camera. Click on this feature so camera does not track your uh, working, and click on microphone and again click on don't allow sites to use your microphone. Now again go to privacy and security. Now here you have to go to ads privacy and go to ads topics and now click on this menu. Now it will show the topics based on your recent browsing history, and it will turn off this feature and show you don't show you the inappropriate ads on your website. And that's it guys. Now you know how to use your Chrome browser to block ads and trackers on Chrome. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.